Hey biology students, Mr. Kais here. I wanted to show you, for those of you that haven't been in class, how we're using this dnaftb.org website. Stands for DNA from the beginning, obviously, is what it says right here. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page. What you need to do is you need to go to, oh, that's kind of weird. There we go. Go to this. That was funky for a second. You need to go to this link, and then you go here. And then what I want you to do is I want you to read the concept, and then I want you to know the details. And there's going to be an assignment posted in Google Classroom about this, and this will link to that assignment as well, where you tell me what is the main concept being presented or taught in the concept. So you do the concept, and that's where you click on this, and then you would click on the animation. You would follow through the animation, and the question that's going to go along with it is, what is the important concept being presented? In this case, it's Gregor Mendel and what he worked with and how he worked with pea plants. We've already done this number one in class and gone through it. So you just you click right here and you say look inside and details like that, okay? Then you go to the bio. On the bio, you want to know, I'm going to ask you some questions like, what important details about Mendel were presented and what did you find interesting? In other words, we used this already in class to come up with our part of our Gregor Mendel unit page questions, answers to those questions. Law of segregation, law of independent assortment, law of dominance. We used those for that. And then you go to the problem, and on the problem, you watch gene, because remember a segment of DNA is a gene. Hey, look, that's gene. And you pick the right answers. In this case, it's all of the following. And you go through it, and you do those, okay? That's how you use this web page. It's phenomenal. We're going to do part 2, 3, 4, and a portion of 5 for today, and for a few more experiments later. So if you have questions, email me. If you have concerns, email me. If you're not sure how to do this, let me know. This should be a short enough video so it'll run in Google without any issues. Have a great day. Keep smiling.